So hi everyone, in this video we will going to learn about that how to set up Shell-GPT with Gemini API Key on Oracle Linux, right? So here you can see on the screen I have opened an Oracle Linux remote shell using the SSH. Okay, so I will show you that how to set up and use the Shell-GPT on Oracle Linux 8, and it will be same for the other distros of the Linux. Like you can use this on the other distros also, okay, like Ubuntu and others. So first of all we have to install some packages. Okay, so I will show you that. For that I will switch to root user, right? And then the first package we will install is Python, right? 3.12. So it is essential for the operation of the shell GPT. So it is an artificial intelligence agent like utility, okay, that we will use on our Linux machine to get NLP responses from the GPT itself. So it will help us in our daily routine task. Like it will show us that how to, for example, if you want to create directories, you can simply ask Shell GPT to create it for you, okay, and it will create it. You can change and modify any files. You can edit those files. You can set up any packages or utilities on the Unix machine by itself, and it will be easy, right? So you can see we have already installed the Python 3.12. Okay, this is there, right? So we will exit from the root user itself. So you can see that who am I? Let me show you that currently I am logged in as an Qayyum user. Okay, so after using the root user we have installed the Python 3.12, and after that what we will do, we will use this command to get inside the virtual environment. Okay, so inside virtual environment we will set up our shell GPT. So this is the command. As you can see, we are using Python 3.12, right? Then -m is execution of this v environment module, and it will set up a directory inside our home directory which is called as HGPT environment, okay, where all the virtual environment files will be there, right? So after hitting enter, it will create it. Okay, so it has been created. Now what we will do, we will get inside the virtual environment, okay, using below command. Okay, so currently you can see this is our prompt. Okay, and now when I will execute this command, our prompt will get changed. So basically this is the command, right? So this is our, okay, there is one mistake. This is our virtual environment directory, home directory, right? And inside that we will go inside the binary, and there we will have this executor, okay, this command. So after going this will get us inside this virtual environment. Now you can see we are inside this HGPT environment, okay, and this prompt will be same. So now guys, here inside this virtual environment what we will do, we will install our shell GPT, right, and lite-llm also. Okay, so for that we will use this command python pipe, okay, pip install, then shell gpt lite-llm, okay, and then this is the command. Okay, this will install the shell GPT for us. and I have included lite-llm for connecting this Shell-GPT to the Gemini. Okay, basically Shell-GPT is used for ChatGPT, but we are in this session will use Gemini. Okay, and this is how it is going to install the Shell-GPT LLM. Okay, so we will wait for this to get installation completed, and after that we will see some next steps and some command also. So like ChatGPT, we ask some question and it gives us regarding anything. Okay, so like that, we will going to use this Shell GPT for easiness of our daily routine task. Okay, so it has been RPM QA. Okay, we will see a grep Shell GPT. Okay, let's see. Okay, so first of all, we will do some changes. Bash RC inside this bash RC, as we know, for exporting some exporting stuffs, exporting environmental variables, and creating aliases, we basically use this. Okay, so first of all, go here, and then we will add our Shell GPT configure, right? So first of all, we will export use light LLM is equal to true, right? And then export default model is equal to Gemini Gemini 2.5. So here we will going to add the some lines like this. This is the Gemini model, okay, that we will going to use. Then export Gemini API key, which is the crucial thing, right? Inside it we will going to add our key, right? Then next, open AI API key, okay, SK placeholder, okay. Then alias HGPT is equal to, okay, HGPT environment be in HGPT, right? So first of all, I need to go to here, and inside my API key, this is my API key, right? I will copy this and go to my terminal and paste this key, right? So this is the key and this is what we are going to do, right? So after doing this, we can simply exit. That's it, right? So if we get this, you can see these are the environments what we have to see, right? So we will, okay, we will call our bash rc, right? That's it. Now I will show you that HGPT help, right? And you will get something like this. So as we can show that from this we can show that it is doing something, right? So first of all, I will show you some basic. HGPT hello, what is today's weather? Okay, let's see what it will provide us. Okay, this is it is saying that I applies, but I don't have access to real-time information at current data. I am a language model and cannot browse the internet from live data. Okay, HGPT. Hello. uh, Hello. What is my server name? Okay. Okay. So this is it is showing us we will use a shell here, right? What is my server name, right? So every time it will ask us. Okay. So you can see it has provided us our host name again. So simply as also if you query this host name, you will get this, right? So hyphen shell means it will execute the shell commands. Okay, for you. Uh, sh- Please share the disk usage on this server. Again, it will ask us about the execution permission. Okay, so you can see here it has provided the df hyphen. It asks us about whether we allow it to execute it or not. Okay, now we will do it again. HGPT. Okay, let me clear this console. HGPT hyphen shell. Now create a file name Shell-GPT txt. Okay, okay. So let's see it has created or not Shell-GPT. Okay. So you can see guys, it has created this Shell-GPT. Now what we will do? We will ask us delete file name Shell-GPT dot txt. Right. Now once it previously it has created a Shell-GPT dot txt. Now we will ask it to delete it. Okay. Execute. Now we will again Shell-GPT. Okay, so there is no such file or a directory here, right? So this is what it gives us, right? So this is how we can create it. Now we will ask something about it. HGPT, right below into a file name message.txt. I am writing this and asking Shell GPT to add into a file name message.txt, right? Let's see whether it will do it or not. Okay, so if I query message.txt, it is there, right? You can see, and let's see what are the content inside it. Okay, so guys, you can see that shell gpt has successfully created a message.txt file with the content which I written for it. Okay, so you can see here Now again shell delete message.txt. Okay. Again sgpt shell delete file name message.txt. Okay. Okay, what most call last? It is not showing this. 1 minute. HGPT shell. Remove a file name message.txt. So now guys we will going to remove this. Okay. HGPT shell remove file name message.txt. Okay. And it will ask for execution. Okay. Now you can see it has been deleted the remove file name, right? Sometimes what happened, bashrc, I have updated this bash profile, okay, bashrc with this default model. So we are using this flash 2.5 flash lite. Okay, so this will allow us to request 1000 request. Okay, so it will allow us what 1000 request. Okay, so previously what we use that flash model, so it only gives us 20 request. Okay, so that's why we are we had some. So we will ask this HGPT shell please install Oracle 19c pre-install package, and if needed I will provide you a root password. Let's see what it will do. Okay, so guys this is how we can install Shell-GPT on the Oracle Linux. Okay, so we will put some more command here, and let's see what are the describe shell command, generate only code. Okay, reply show chat list chat role. This is the next session of our previously shell gpt usage. Okay, so you can see on the screen that uh, when I'm using this command, it is giving me and it's providing me the output like this, right? So first of all what we will do, we will ask this as tell me about my RAM usage. Okay, and it will prepare a command and execute it. Okay, you can see this is our uh, RAM consumption. Okay, so app is this and that is. Again now we will ask it tell me about CPU usage. Okay, again execute and it will show us our CPU usage. Okay, now HGPT is tell me about the process consuming most CPU. Okay, let's see what it will bring to the table, right? You can see it, right? So now guys you can see it and you can see it, right? HGPT is show me the Shell-GPT package installed. Okay, let's see what it will do for us. It will create the command for us. Okay, and we can get this right. Okay, so there is some permission issue, I think so. GPT-s show me all the directories in current. Okay, you can see, right? GPT. Create a shell script with that show me where to install Oracle database. Okay, so it will provide me the shell script. Okay, you can see it is generating the shell script, right? So now guys, you can see it has been created the shell script for us, so that okay, so this is how it works, right guys? So you can see it has been creating based script GPT code. Create a Python script to check Oracle DB status. Okay, let's see what it will create. So you can see guys, it has created a script that will be used to monitor the database. Okay, so this is how we can take the help from the shell GPT to automate our daily routine task. Okay, GPT. Okay, can you share me details about U02 mount point? Okay, it has been provided error. Simply I should ask it here. Okay, so guys, you can see it here. Okay, the U02 mount point is a dedicated directory on your Oracle Linux server, typically used for storing specific type of data. Okay, and you can see it right now. When I will tell it, can you share me details about U02 mount point? Now we have asked it in the shell, with the shell command, so it will execute the command. Okay, so now we can see it right. Yeah. Now again we will share the type of file system U02 has. Okay, Let's see what it will provide us. Okay, so you can see user 2 is not a block device. Okay, detail of user 2. So now guys, what I would change here is that let me show you. So I have installed the Ollama also. Okay, so from here you can see from using this command, right? Ollama, right? So I have installed the Ollama here. So you can see it here, right? So it asks for, right? So it asks for ZSD. Okay, sudo apt-get install ZSD. So for this we have executed this command, which is a sudo dnf install ZSD to install this. Okay, so after installing this, I come back to the command here again, executed it, curl hyphen f s sl. Okay, so from this it pull the Ollama. Okay, and it installed it, and it also along with this it installed the Ollama user also. Okay, so all of this has been done. So after that, as we don't have NVIDIA GPU, okay, so Ollama will run on the CPU only mode. Okay, so I find the ID of the Ollama to check whether it has been installed or not. So you can see it has been installed. It was installed there, right? So after that, what I have did, I have enabled the Ollama module, okay, and it will run even after the reboot. And after that, what I have done, I have chosen one model with the 2 billion of parameters. Okay, so you can see Ollama pool, yeah, so this is around 1.6 GB. Okay, so after doing this, you can see the pooling has been done, right? So we have done with this, we had been done is this. So after that, just for testing purpose, I had done that. So come back to our HGPT environment. Okay, so since we have HGPT, right? So HGPT is working as an MCP also, MCP. Okay, model context, right? So here what I have changed, I have changed the 2 to 3 parameters. Instead of Gemini, I use Ollama Gemma 2.2 colon 2b. Since we have installed this model, okay, we have pulled this model, so that's why I have included it. And in the export open AI API call, I have inserted local Ollama, okay, and all others are I have committed, right? So after doing that, what I did, I will show you. As you can see, alright, give me a shell command to list the largest 5 directories. Okay, so when I executed it, this will take some time, right? And you can see it. It has is certainly creating commands, right? This command uses du to get, and you can see it has been executing on the desktop. So guys, this way we can pull local LMs also like Ollama and use the HGPT, right? So this is how it will work. Let me create a directory name Ollama sample, right? Let's see what it will do, what it does for us. Okay, now using the Ollama also, right? I'll show you that currently we don't have any directory name as Ollama sample. Okay, so using the HGPT and Ollama, we will create a directory. Okay, name as Ollama sample, right? So it will create a directory name as Ollama sample, right? So now we will see, you can see Ollama directory has been created, right? So again, remove a directory name Ollama sample, right? So again it will create a command and it will ask us about it. Okay, so now you can see Ollama has been completely evacuated. Okay, so this is how we can do. This is how guys we can use both the Ollama and HGPT to get the script done. Okay, so guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.